My name is Matt Van Grunsman, and I'm with Cruisers Yachts. I'm here to share with you some amazing features of our 50 Cantius. Starting at the bow, we have a full U-shaped seating with table that folds up from the center that also converts to a chase lounge on the port and starboard side. Additionally, we have a sunshade for further sun protection. And finally at the bow, we have our anchor locker and windlass with full control of the windlass from the bow or the helm station. Now we'll travel to the aft portion of this boat and show you the interior. As we enter the cockpit area, we have a full U-shaped seating once again with table, bar stools. We have a window that comes down and a door that bifolds open. The beauty of this design is we have a full indoor-outdoor entertainment area, and it's all on one level. We are now standing inside the interior of our main deck of the 50 Cantius, where I'm positioned in the galley. We have full refrigeration, microwave, cooktop, sink. Forward is a dinette with folding leaf table with opposed seating to the starboard side, and then forward is our helm station. Here at the helm of the 50 Cantius, this vessel is powered with Volvo Penta IPS 700s. We have full joystick control. We also have Garmin screens that are 16-inch. This vessel is equipped standard with a Seakeeper 6. Another feature that's standard on our Cantius lineup is our sunroof. We are now in the accommodations level of the 50 Cantius. We have a full beam master positioned midship with an island berth and its own private head. We have a VIP stateroom forward with access to the day head. Finally, we have a bunk room to the starboard side. There's one special feature that I'd like to share with you on this particular 50 Cantius as well. This boat is equipped with our slate gray hull and deck with our black superstructure, as well as our Havana ultra leather seating. One final feature of the 50 Cantius is our easy access to the water. I'm currently standing on a hydraulic swim platform that lowers into the water for diving, jet skiing, kayaking, or swimming needs. It also has a swim step to easy access to water back up to the deck. There is also a grilling area at the transom, and this seat lifts forward for all of your storage needs. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this unique 50 Cantius with me. For more information or to see one in person, please visit us at cruisersyachts.com.